Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today let us set up our Notion boards, and for those of you who don't know what Notion is or are new to it, Notion is a productive note-taking and organization app in which you can organize different aspects of your life using the different database options it provides. If you're someone like me who likes to keep stuff organized, likes to write it down or have it visually displayed in front of you, then Notion is our go-to solution for all the problems we face related to organization. In today's video, I'll be giving you all a tour of my Notion and we'll be showing how I set it up from scratch. So this is what my Notion setup looks like currently. I've added a bunch of GIFs, widgets, and aesthetic pictures. So who does not want to study in such a wonderful setup, right? I totally have 6 subjects, so I have dedicated a page for each subject's note-taking chapter-wise. As you can see, under each subject I've made 4 subdivisions. This is subdivision number 1, in which I have noted down our syllabus for the year. Number 2 is where I actually note down all the essays, assignments or projects assigned to me so I don't forget them, and also write the due date so I submit them on time. So coming to the third part, this is where I actually note down all my grades, the ones I've got in different tests, assignments, so I have a track of where I am academically and if I'm doing good or I need to improve, etc. Coming to the fourth part, this is where I organize all the files, study materials, and Word documents my teachers have provided to me, so in case of an upcoming test, I can come to one place and refer everything I need and be prepared. So when I'm studying, my thoughts are haphazardly placed in my brain. So I have a memo pad kind of area where I can jot down my thoughts and not forget them later. And next to this area, I have my daily timetable placed. So in case I need to just see what lessons I have tomorrow, what I should be prepared for tomorrow, it's right there and I don't forget or procrastinate. I even have some motivational quotes written here and there in my Notion, so in case I lose motivation, I can just go read them and be back on track. I have kind of added a particular system in my Notion in which each subject has a designated icon, so I don't get confused between different sectors of one subject and of the other. I have divided my Notion into 2 major sectors. One is for my academic year 2023-24 and the other sector is to organize my day-to-day activities, hobbies, etc. In this video, I'll be showing how I organized my academic year's sector, and I'll be making a part 2 in which I'll be showing how I did the other sector. Let's get started by giving the heading Academic Year 2023-24, and as you can see, I've changed the font of the text by clicking on the button which is on my top right. I've also set a particular icon for the page. Now let's go to Pinterest and check what we can find for our cover. Now let's find in cover image. Simply copy the address of the image. Click on change cover. Click on the option which says link and simply paste the link. And there you go. As you can see, there are two options next to the cursor. The first one, 4 dots, using which you can do things like deleting, copying, etc. And the second one, a plus button, using which you can add different databases. As you just witnessed, I added a new page using the plus option. Now I'm naming it as maths. So I'm adding different pages for all my subjects. In these pages, I'll be taking notes of the particular subject. You can simply change how the pages are placed together by simply holding the 4 dots option and dragging them and repositioning. Once you're done adjusting the pages according to your liking, you can go to Pinterest and copy the link of another image. Click on the plus option next to the page and simply click on the image option and embed your link. Now repeat the process for all of the pages and just make sure that you choose images that are relevant to your cover page and match the aesthetic. Now click on the icon next to your page and you can see varieties of icons displayed. Choose something that is relevant to the subject of the page. Repeat the same process to the rest of the pages as well. Now go to Pinterest and search for anime GIFs. Copy their link. Click on the plus option and you can see there's an option to embed link. Simply paste the link you copied. There you go, you have your GIF. Now just adjust it to your desired size.
You're so irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to blow back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud 9. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on these highlights, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Ever since the first time you turned into the worst of me. Held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you why I feel so close to us. Your hands still stained with colored dust. I've shot from all your broken nights. Still wish I never told you why I feel no love. But is this love? Is this love? But is this love? Keep you close to me. But is this love? Is this love? But is this love? See my day. But regret I couldn't hold goodbyes. If I said you would try to deny you once, guess I said about trying life for me. Is it better that you hurt than I? Cause the weather it determines time no more. Was there ever any wasted time to be? But is there somebody? Is there somebody? But is there somebody that keep you close to me? But is there somebody? Is there somebody? But is there somebody that sees my state? Even if that's all you want for me, I still care for you. I still care. Even if that's all you want from me, I still care for you. I still care for you.